everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today I am very excited because I'm going to show you the shopping I have done recently from Club Factory. I am going to show you the stuffs what I've grabbed from Club Factory, and I was waiting from long and finally they have reached. So without wasting more time, let's quickly start the video. Here, this is the packaging which I have got it from the Club Factory. Club Factory is the app where you can get lovely stuffs for quite affordable prices. So you have the ladies clothing, shoes, bags. Nowadays recently they have started adding makeup. You have for men, kids, whatnot. So that's and the jewelry pieces, let me tell you, jewelry pieces are awesome in Club Factory and for a very reasonable rate. And just go and check that out. I think this app is just in trend these days. Everybody is shopping from Club Factory these days, and like everybody knows, I think nobody needs introduction about Club Factory, but still I am giving a background for those who are not aware of this app. Please go and check that out, and you can grab some interesting stuffs for you as well if you go and check the app. So this, I'm not promoting any shopping app or brand. This is not a promotional video. This is just that I have experienced and I have purchased few stuffs which I am quite happy, and I need to see the quality now, which I will be unpacking it in front of you, and together let's quickly start checking the products. So let me open this. I'm very bad at opening stuffs, so yes, finally I have opened it. So the first product what I have taken, I'll show you. I've taken a lot of bottoms this time. You get lovely t-shirts, you get lovely western wear, you get the makeup stuffs for quite reasonable rates there, especially the brushes, makeup brushes. So this is my first product. This is the legging, the bottom. So this is, the material is awesome. This is very soft, and this is a kind of a furry type inside. So this is best to wear in winters. So my second product what I have purchased, and this comes in these polythene bags, the zipped bag, which is quite good. And the next product I have purchased is this, the other bottom, which looks like a leather one, but this is not the leather. The material is a synthetic, but the look of it is a kind of a leather. So you can wear on any top. So this will give you the leather finish. And the next product is I have purchased the t-shirt, the top. So this is the lovely top which I have bought it, white in color, universal color. So the material is just awesome. The pricing is amazing. If you can check out the material here, see, it's so soft. So and the next product, this is again a bottom which I have taken. This is black in color. Material is just amazing. This is the first time I'm purchasing from Club Factory. I wasn't aware of the material, so I'm quite happy with the material I have seen so far. See the material here of the bottom. So this is a velvet inside, the velvet material, and outside it's quite soft and stretchable. This is comfortable and stretchable. This is very stretchable, and this comes in a free size. So when I'm touching it, I can feel how good the material is. So, and my next product is another legging. So this is another legging. If you can see, prices are just amazing. For the material I have got, I don't regret shelling out this much for these products. And moreover, the best part is these days factory has skipped the shipping for India, so it's all free shipping. And my next product are these brushes, which I wanted from long time. You get lovely brushes. Quite soft. And then my next product, my next product is another legging. So this is another bottom which I have taken it, and pricing, it might be reflecting on the screen, approximately around 300 or 400. It comes in within 300 or 400, and material is awesome. This is of this kind of a pattern, and such a lovely material. It's just amazing. It's so soft. It's really very soft. The material is awesome. So this is my next product. And then I have taken the pullover. If you can see here, this is the print. Say about the material, it's nice. It's really nice. Nice. And the next product, I'm quite excited. So my next product is the interesting bottom. This is another legging with this military print. Quite interesting, right? This will look so good with any top, and this is so comfortable. See the quality, it's so soft. It's so soft, nice. The quality is amazing. Definitely I will be buying again from Club Factory, and this time I'm really happy. Trust me, the material you will never regret. And my next product is the top. This is the one. Lovely pink shade, the pink and a gray combination of top. And this is really soft. This is cotton, and yeah, nice. And next I have bought another bottom. So this is the other one with this kind of a print, soft like others. This will look good with on kurtas, then on t-shirts. So, and my last item I have taken is jewelry. I've heard jewelries are amazing in Club Factory, but I'm not that fond of jewelries, but I took one. This is the one which you can just press it over here like this, like this. So I like something funky all the time, so the handbands, or I like rings, I like something here to be worn, so I have taken this. These were the things which I have purchased from Club Factory, and I'm very happy, and I do not regret even a percent shopping in Club Factory. I loved it. The quality is amazing, the pricing is amazing. It's worth buying from this. That was my video. Hope you have liked it and enjoyed it. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and subscribe my channel to stay connected for many more videos your way.